Hello, friends. First of all, I welcome all of you on this 1 week online certificate course on mangrove ecology. Friends, you know that every year 26th July is celebrated as International Mangrove Day for the conservation of mangrove ecosystem. It is adopted by UNESCO in 2015 and celebrated annually on 26th July. It aims to raise awareness of the importance of mangrove ecosystem as a unique, special and vulnerable ecosystem and to produce solutions for their sustainable management, conservation and uses. On the occasion of this, our Department of Zoology, Gupte Zoologicals College has organized this 1 week certificate course. This is the first day of our course. First, we are going to study the mangrove ecosystem. A mangrove commonly refers to two different things. A tidal swamp ecosystem found in tropical deltas, estuaries, lagoons or islands, and the characteristic tree species populating this ecosystem. Mangrove trees have developed unique adaptations to the harsh conditions of coastal environment. Mangrove means coastal trees of shrubs which are adapted to estuarine or even saline environment. There are about 80 different species of mangroves. All of these trees grow in an area with low oxygen soil. Mangrove forests only grow at tropical and subtropical latitudes near the equator because they cannot withstand freezing temperature. These are called as mangue because they occur into the sea. These plants evolved around 114 million years back. These are also known as mangal in Portuguese language. Actually, this word is derived from two words. One is Portuguese mangu means tree and gru is the English word that means stand of trees, which is used for trees and shrubs that found in shallow, sandy or muddy areas. Mangroves are halophytes. Mangrove forest is a type of intertidal wetland ecosystems. Mangroves are also known as mangal, mangrove community, mangrove ecosystem, mangrove forest, mangrove swamp, and mangrove community. If we see the geographical distribution, these are generally distributed above and below the equator in the tropics and subtropic countries. Mangroves can be found in about 118 countries throughout the world. Mostly South Asia, Southeast Asia, and Asia Pacific is a home to approximately 40% of the world's mangrove. If we see the mangrove distribution in India, it is only 3%, and Sundarban in West Bengal accounts for almost half of the total area under mangrove. In India, the total area of mangrove is about 6,740 square kilometers, and about 2% of the mangrove occurs on the west coast of India, that is from Kutch to Kerala. But recent Indian remote sensing data showed that the total area of the mangroves decreased to 4,474 square kilometers. Mangrove trees are classified into two types, that is, true mangroves and mangrove associates. Generally, true mangroves are completely limited to the mangrove environment and do not extend into terrestrial communities. True mangroves are characterized by viviparous reproduction and certain specialized structures, such as aerial roots, nematophores, pop-up roots, or glands for salt excretion. So, true mangroves are halophytes showing a high salt tolerance, whereas mangrove associates are mostly glycophytes, that is, not salt tolerant with only a certain degree of salt tolerance. And mangrove associates are herbaceous, subwoody, and climber species that are found to grow mostly in regions adjoining the tidal periphery of the mangrove habitats. These are some of the true mangroves: Avicenna officinalis, Sonarchia alba, and Rhizophora mucronata. These species mostly occurs along the Ratnagiri seacoast. Mangrove associates, that is Clerodendron inermi, Thespsia populina, Vitex nigundo, and Acanthus ilicifolia. There is mangrove zonations. All these mangroves grow along the same shoreline, but each species is limited to its different areas according to tidal zones. So these zones are determined by tidal changes, elevation of the land, salinity of the soil, and water. That means red mangroves always occurs along the shoreline. Then inside that, black mangroves, white mangroves, and in the deep sea, that is the buttonwood mangroves. River mangrove forests are mainly located along the edges of coastal rivers. The flow of river water provides rich nutrients which enables the river mangroves to generate thick forest cover. Basin mangroves are found in the interior region of the coast, adjacent to the salt flats, and receive water intermittently from high tides. So growth is more restricted in this zone. The third type, fringing mangroves, are flooded with salt water during each high tide. Forest production is high here due to the inflow of nutrients and sediments circulating in the estuaries. Red mangroves are found along the water edges with full exposure to tidal variation and winds. Moving further inland is the black mangroves with their nematophores extending upward from the soil surrounding the trunk. The main function of the nematophores to take oxygen because the soil is deficient in oxygen. White mangroves often lack special root adaptations which occur in the interior of the mangrove forest, followed by the buttonwood in the upland transitional area. These are some of the mangrove species of Ratnagiri. Sonarchia alba. It is also known as mangrove apple because of its fruit. This plant is useful as a source of timber as well as its fruits are edible. Mainly this species is pollinated by bats and it grows in unstable conditions preferred for forestation. The another important species is Avicennia marana. It also acts as a source of fuelwood, timber, and a cattle feed. It is also useful as a abortive for snake bites and wound healing. Aegiceras corniculatum. It is also known as a river mangrove. Its fruits are of different shape and it is a source of honey and tannin. It is one of the endangered mangrove species. Brugueria cylindrica. It is also known as orange mangrove. It is a source of firewood and charcoal. Its leaves extract is useful for treating the blood pressure and to stop the bleeding. It is also one of the endangered species. This is Rhizophora mucronata, red mangrove. It is also a source of firewood, mosquito repellent. The leaf extract is useful for curing the diabetes, dysentery, hemorrhage. It has steel roots and it is also one of the endangered species. This is a mangrove associate. It is commonly known as meswak and the scientific name is Salvadora persica. Its seeds yield oil for soap industry. Roots act as a astringent, leaves as a food during drought condition, and it is endangered mangrove associate. Thank you.